received in shipment from GoFo Shipping. This is an AliExpress unboxing of, I think, 11 items. I'll count the items to make sure they're all here. Item 1. One or these one at a time. USB it's a type, whatever. I paid $2.77 taxed and shipped for this item. That is item 1. Item 2. This looks like a 3D print quality. Yeah, this thing is like a 3D print shower glass door hook. I paid $2.08 for this one. It seems okay, I guess. That's item 2. Item 3. This one is a narrower width, so they are different items. Let's see. Oh, this is good stuff. This is 3M official VHB tape. These are pretty much permanent. These are permanent 3M double-sided tape. Pressure application. This is said to be official certified 3M VHB tape, which on Amazon these are like 12 to 15 bucks. So 5 items. Here's item 6. These are, I remember, why did I buy this? Oh yeah, these are cord wraps for cords. It hooks to whatever, and then you can attach your garden hose or electrical cord and just have it hanging. Otherwise, electrical cords and stuff are unruly and take up shelf space, so this will be useful. Now this is a frivolous item. Don't chunk of change for that. This is window screen. In our back balconies, occasionally birds attempt to fly through our balcony screen and punch a hole through it, repair it. Here it is. Fine little mesh. More of the same. I'll keep this one maybe wrapped up for now. This I'm hoping is good stuff. It's supposed to be leather. Yep, this is leather. I can smell it. There's a belt, knife, or for me a Leatherman holder. Now this rigid large rubber band. This watch band for my iWatch Ultra. This more cord hooks. This high quality black thick rubber band. More rubber band. This bit thinner rubber band of good quality. This is a Traveler's Company type brass pencil, an exact clone. Totally not welcome by Midori products, but this is a clone. Look at that. This thing only cost me $6.28. But this is an exact ERAL Traveler. This is an exact copy of this thing that I've had for 15 years. Oh, the clip is longer. It's a bit fatter. It says Traveler's brass on it, and this one is aged. So basically these fit like that. Ah, the pencil is different. Otherwise, identical quality essentially. Identical quality for a fraction of the price. I think I paid like $25 to $30 for this. I have refills for it. I bet the refill fits in here. So for under $7, this is a great deal. So it's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items. That's it. So it was a successful AliExpress purchase. Look at this thing. Brass. Midori Traveler's Factory Ruler. So this thing I paid $2.11 for. Somewhat different, but this is made in Japan. Brass. They are, now this one is in many ways better. This 15, 15, yep, they measure, they line up adequately at 15 centimeters. But this one has inch markers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, making this much more useful. Making this Midori piece much more of a niche Japanese market. The brass width, if anything, this one is thicker. If anything, it's a thicker width. So, still sold by Midori for $21. $21, $2.11. 10 times the price difference. I think this is a superior one. It is thinner, but I mean, it's thinner in this width, but it's thicker. Quite a value. It has a hole in it too, so making it useful in a couple of different ways. Those are my purchases from AliExpress. Try this band out. So I haven't been satisfied with this band. This is Ritchie 22mm genuine leather. There it goes. Let's see if it hopefully fits better. Leather is thinner than the Ritchie thing, but it's of the NATO style, I guess. NATO style. Was this NATO or the other style? But anyway, yeah, this is going to work out better, I think. Let us try. So, just assessing the pencil quality. This is the pencil quality of the Japanese. Darker. Slightly darker. Maybe slightly better quality, but I think these are equivalent. $21 for the ruler, $2.11 from pencil. I paid $6.78, and it is $30 currently. $29.50 plus tax and shipping. So that's, yeah, it's $30. That's $32 with tax, assuming you get free shipping. That is why I shop at AliExpress. But that's from Japan Direct. $23 from Japan Direct. Arizona store. Midori brass ruler, $15.89 on Amazon from Japan. Anyway, it's hard to beat $6.78 from AliExpress. This is the Mahjong fountain pen. Midori experience for today. So that will end the unboxing AliExpress for today.